Hey friends. Hey ham friends, particularly. Check this out. I'm actually not doing old like boat anchor stuff, which is wonderful. Here's a Hamclock. I'm doing modern stuff today. And I mean it. Like, normally in the last little while I've been looking at like the Collins S line and, the old HF receivers and even the 70s one over there and whatever. But I put this together this afternoon out of a computer that I found at the dump in the e-waste. Because I'm like that. It's like one of those little Lenovo ones that fits in the palm of your hand. Really neat little thing. I'm going to just Velcro it to the back of the monitor when it's ready. Right now it's actually running remotely because this is in my living room, and I ain't in the living room. But this is a Hamclock, for those of you who've never really seen one. It's, I guess, a dashboard of sorts for ham operators, you could say. It's very configurable, and I have not finished configuring it at all. You're getting some sunspot information here. We're going to ignore this for now. Some solar wind stuff, and it's going to cycle. You're going to see maximum usable frequency stuff pop up on here. Some information about contests. Of course, you got your call sign, your time in UTC, local weather, and the beautiful gray line map, which is very handy. As well as the International Space Station, which is handy for me because, sometimes I get the chance to do things like talk to space stations. But here's something really cool. As I said, this is remote, and I'm actually using modern equipment. So this computer is running Ft8, and I'm doing actual modern ham stuff. What you're seeing on the map here, that is everyone I've been communicating with in the last little while. On my map, as it happens. It's incredible. There's one more thing, though. Because with more modern ham radio stuff, you have computers and programs and databases and things. We have this. Live spots. This is everybody who has seen and heard me on the air this evening in the last few hours. I have covered the globe. And that is incredible. So yeah. Sometimes it's vacuum tubes, but sometimes it's like space stations and crazy computer stuff. This is the 25th year that I've had my ham license. I've had it for more than half my life. And the width and breadth of this hobby never ceases to amaze or delight me.